Yeah, hi, good afternoon. Can you please hear me? Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon, one and all. Good afternoon. Thank you for your patience. Thank you, Peter. Lasangu, thank you very much. Thank you, Francis. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Simon. Good afternoon, Axmed. Good afternoon, Lovis. Good afternoon, Christian. Good afternoon, Dhanushriya. Good afternoon, Nitashana. Good afternoon, Simon. Good afternoon, Kirushalni. Good afternoon, Chakwara. Good afternoon, Abraham. Good afternoon, Vikram Yadav. Good afternoon, Francis. Good afternoon, Alain. Good afternoon, Vivian. Good afternoon, Zibon. Okay, so shall we get into the class? So can anyone quickly tell me that what topic we were doing? Can anyone let me know that what topic we were doing? That was good. Okay, any other topic? Do you remember? Okay, now quickly tell me the fraction to percentage. What is 1 by 4 in percentage? What is 1 by 6? What is 1 by 6? 1 by 8. One by 12. Good. 3 by 4. That's great. Okay, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. Uh, just let me know if the screen is visible. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay. Today you're gonna see with the, yes, I'm sharing. You're gonna see with the, okay, is it visible? Yeah. Here's your first question. If the rectangle is increased by 25 percentage and 20 percentage of the length and width respectively, what is the overall increment? Do you get the answer? 25%. No. If you get the answer, you can make your hand raise. I'll on the chat button. Please do stop with your personal conversations on the chat. Do make it fast. I'm on the chat now. Let's go. Please do stop with the personal chat. Okay, make with the answers now. Make it fast. Okay. See, there are lots of questions related to the same stuff. Okay. 5% overall increment. No, it should be bigger than that. Okay, fine. Take a look. This is rectangle length and width. Now what we do is there is an increment. There is an increment in the width. How much is the increment in the width? 20%. That means on the both the sides. 20%, 20%. Did you get it? So 20% of increment and 20% of increment on the width. Now let's talk about the length. The length is also increased by 25% on both the sides. So 25, 25. Okay, so 25% increment on both the sides. 25%, 25%. I'll tell you how to do it. Now, since it's a rectangle, when I say the length and width are increased, the corners will also increase. So this is the corner where they would also increase. Did you get it? So this one is individually to be found. So this is what is the question all about. So when I say it is increased, yes, I'm going to add plus the corners. So it is 20 plus 25 is 45. But along with that, the corners are also increased. So 45 plus the corners. Are you clear with that? So how to find this? The corners have increased this. We'll be using that length plus width plus length into width by 100. Did you get it? Length into width by 100. Are you clear with that? Length into width by 100. Okay. Clear with that, right? Okay. This is a way to find for the rectangle. I have length is 25, width is 20 plus length into width 25 into 20 by 100. Okay, so 25 or 20 plus 25 plus 20 times 25 by 100. This is the way to find the answer. Are you clear with that? So it is 45 plus 45 plus 5 into 2, 10 to 4 plus 1, 5 divided by 10. So it is 5 plus 45. So 5 plus 45, it will be 50. So 50% will be the increment. So the corners altogether will be 5%. 4 corners will be 5%. Okay, I'm writing it again on the other side. So length is increased. I'm finding whether the length and width are increased. So length plus width plus length into width by 100. Clear with that? Length plus width plus length into width divided by 100. So this talks about the corners. Yes, the way to find. I will show you the proof how it works. No worries. Okay. So corners, length plus width plus length into width by 100. That's the corners. Length plus width plus the corner. The corner is always length into width by 100. So the X marks wherever I made, all the 4 together, it is length into width by 100 always. Clear with that? So 25 plus 20 or 20 plus 25, whatever you want. Increment, that is why it is in addition. Okay, why we are adding it? Because it is in increment. 20 plus 25 plus 20 into 25 by 100. Are you clear with that? 20 into 25 by 100. 25 into 250. 50 by 10 is 5. So 20 plus 25 plus 5. 20 plus 25 plus 5. So in spite of C, it is just 5. No 5C, it's just 5. In spite of corners, I'm substituting. In spite of C, I'm writing 5. Are you clear with that, Axmith? There is no algebraic equation to get confused. In spite of the corners, it is 5. All 4 corners, the 5%. Length and width 45%. On the corner is just 5%, not 5C. C equals to 5, not 5C. Are you clear with that? 5 equals to C, not 5 into C. Are you clear with that? Yes. So it makes 45 plus 5, 50%. Are you clear with that? Are you clear? Okay. Now on the next slide, I'm giving you the question. Okay. Um, I'm just stopping. I'm just giving you the question again. Just a minute. Same question. I'll just change the value and give you, and I want you to solve it. Got it right? Okay. Just a minute. Hmm. Okay. Two questions. I'm just trying to make you to understand the topic better. Same steps. You can use it over here. I hope the questions are visible. Fine. The first one I'm going to solve it. Shall we try? Shall I solve it? Or do you want time? Shall I solve it? Okay. So the first one, it says increase 25 and decreased 20%. That means 25 percentage is positive. The same thing, length plus width plus length into width by 100. So 25 minus 20, so decreased. So that means minus 20 plus 25 times minus 20 divided by 100. Got it, right? So 25 minus 20, it's 5. Next, 25 minus 20 is going to be negative 50 by 10. So that is going to be 5. 5 minus 5, 0. That means no changes took place. No changes. Are you clear with that? No changes. Are you clear with that? Okay, how many of you got the right answer? How many of you got the right answer? Shafala, thank you very much. Mengza, thank you. Okay, now I'm just coming for the previous question, the same thing what we have done. Can anyone tell me what's the formula for area of a rectangle? What's the formula for the area of a rectangle? I'll make it Ibrahim, no worries. What is the formula for area of a rectangle? Your length times width. Yes. Now, good. How much is the length of the rectangle given? It is increased by 25, increased by 20. How much is the length alone in percentage? What is the length in percentage? 25 increased, don't forget. 25 increased, not 1 by 4, increased. It's 100 plus. It's not less than 100. It is increased. 100 plus 25. How many percentage it is? Not 125, 125 percentage. So 125 by 100. You get that? 125 by 100 times width. Width is increased. How many percentage? 20. Now what is the percentage of the width? 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 20% increased. Then what is the width in percentage? 25%. Yes, 120 percentage. That means 120 by 100. Okay, any doubt in this? Applying with the formula of area. You're finding the change in the overall increment. That means area. The overall increment means area. Okay. So they're asking about area. The length is 25% increase. So 100 plus 25, 125. With this 20% increase, so 120 by 100. So 125 by 100 into 120 by 100. Are you clear with this? Now let us simplify it. 0 for 0, it's done. Now if you want, you can make it smaller. This is 5 and this is for 6. And this 5 and this is for 25. Okay. What is 25 times 6? Divided by 100 should be there because we wanted in percentage. What is 25 times 6? What is 25 times 6? What is 25 times 6? 150. Yeah. So it's 150 by 100, or I can say that it's 150 percentage. Am I correct? 150 percentage. Am I correct? No. How much it is more than 100? It is 150 percentage. How much it is more than 100? Yes, it's 50 more than 100. So 50 percentage, it's increments. Are you clear with that? Both the answers are the same. Doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter what we use. Either with the formula method, it's left to you. But this method is wanted. This is a wanted method. Okay. So this one, in the concept of profit and loss based on the same questions, you will be using this method only. You cannot use there over this. Sometimes it might not work. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Okay. I'm explaining this method again. I'm writing in the same board. The reason you would be able to follow it, or if I write it over the other board, you might not be able to connect it. That's the reason. Okay. You need to know both of them. Okay, it's not that only one you can learn or only one is needed for you. Oh, I'm not able to erase it. It's an old slide. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm writing it on the top. Okay, these are the old things. Since my slide is saved, I could not erase it. So what is the area of a rectangle length into width? So here it is said the length is increased by 25%. So I'm writing it as 125 by 100. By 100 means percentage. Remember that. Into the width is increased 20%. So 120 by 100. Now I'm simplifying them. So let's say 0, 0, and I simplify them. And I have to keep my denominator as by 100. No changes in that. It should always remain as by 100. So that's the reason I'm simplifying it. So this has 5 and this has 6 and 5 is for one time and this is for 25. So I get 150 out of 100. That means out of 100, that means out of percentage, how much it is more than 100. The numerator is 50 more than the denominator. That means it is 50 percentage more. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes, for sure. We are going for the next for the decrease. Are you clear with increase and increase? You're clear with that? I'm taking you to the next one. If you're clear with this, I'm taking you to the next one. Just let me know you're clear. Clear? Yes, everyone clear? Lewis, Vivian, Katishana, Adamu, especially Adamu, you had it out. Lewis, I'll explain you with the decrease concept also. Everyone clear? Okay, happy about it. I'm going with the next slide. Look here. Here it is about decrease. We know that there is no change as per this formula method or this method. It is sure that there is no change. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay, increased means 125 by 100. Same concept of length into width. Area, finding the area length into width. Overall increment or decrement. I'm sorry. Overall increment or decrement. Overall increment or decrement. Okay, fine. So now the length is 125 into 100 times. It is said the width is 20% decrease. Decrease means how many percentage is the width right now? Yeah, we'll do everything. Don't worry, Vivian. 25% increase. Yes, it is 125. 20% decrease. That means it is 20% decrease. That means it is 80%. Yeah. I'm just quickly doing in my calculation. So it's 5 times and this is 4. Okay, this is 1 and this is 20. What is 20 into 5? I'll get my denominator should be always in 100. So it is 100 by 100. 100 by 100 means there is no changes of increment or decrement. Hence, no changes. No changes. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Okay, I would connect the same question with the last week's question. I hope you remember, if a person gets 1 by 4 more, what will be the other person will get? If a person gets 1 by 4 more, what will happen for the other person? If a person gets 1 by 4 more, the other person will get how much less? 1 by 5 less. That's good. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Menza. Yes, if a person gets 1 by 4 more, the other person will get 1 by 5 less. When these values are there together, 1 by 4 more, 1 by 5 less, together in one place, that means no changes. Did you get it? Did you get it? 1 by 4 has been more, 1 by 5 has been less. When both are involved, that means that is equals to, when I equate them, that is equals to no changes, it's 0. Everywhere same concept. Same concept can be used. I'm just showing you how to use that same concept here. Got it right? Concept is always the same, everywhere the same. I can use that over here also. Are you getting it? Clear with that? Clear with that? That's good, Adamu. Now the challenge is for you all. It's decreased. Both are decreased. Now you solve it and give me the answer in both the methods or all the 3 methods. Third method, there's 1 by 4 increase and 1 by 5 decrease. It works only when it's constant or as we know the values. Otherwise not. The third method may not follow, but try to solve with the first method and second method. Get me the answer for the third question. You solve it, you get me the answer, let me get convinced. No. Peter and Vivian will check it. Okay. 20 percentage, 25 percentage decrease. That means how many percentage it is? 25% decrease means how many percentage it is? Yes, 75. I'm changing the pen color because I'm using the first method now. So 75, or I'm using length into width. Okay, length into width. This is 75 by 100 times. Second one, 80 by 100. Yes. Remember, by 100 should be there. You cannot dissolve it completely because I want the answer in percentage. It should be out of 100 always. 0 gone, 0 gone. So 4 by 5. Okay. Next, 5 gone and 75. So that is 15. 15 times 4. That is 60. 60 percentage. Now, how much it is less than 100? How much it is less than 100? This is not your final answer. So you're getting 60 out of 100. How much it is less? 40 percentage less. That's all. Very good. It's 40 percentage less. Are you clear with that? It is 40 percentage less. Yes means are you correct? Reminding you got 60, but you have to subtract it with 100. You get more than 100 or less than 100. If you get more than 100, I say it as it is increased. If I get less than 100, I call it as decreased. Okay, I have to subtract it with 100 because I want to know how much it is decreased. This is the amount present. So how much it is decreased? 40. Now let's take okay, let's go on with the other method. Let's say it is minus 25 percentage, minus 20. Okay, negative into negative is positive. So positive 25 into 20 by 100. Okay with that? So this we know already, it is just going to be 5. This part is 5. So plus 5. So this is minus 25 minus 20 is going to be minus 45. So I get negative 40 as the answer in this method. When I say negative 40, that means 40 percentage decrease. Are you clear with that? Either method doesn't matter. Any doubts? Shall we go on with the next? Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, can I stop my screen? Yeah. On to me. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going on with the next one. Giving you the questions related with the same model. You can just like that pick and drop. First, I'm giving you with the concept questions on the same, and then we'll go on. Okay. Just give me a minute. I'm opening your file. Aptitude. Whatever questions I have right now ready for you, I'm giving you those. You can check it up and just find the answer and let me know. Then we can go on with the next topic. Whatever, we can use this method over there alone. Okay. First question. It might look something different, but the method wise, it's all same. Okay. One, I could find one for you. And here's the next one. Two. Okay. I'm not teaching you many methods, just one method or two method, whatever you know right now, you can use it for the entire concept. So no worries at all. Maximum, I'm giving you the questions. The last one. Okay, I'm just sharing the screen. Just let me know, is it visible? Here goes one, two, and three. Thank you, Adamu. Read the questions carefully. The concepts are same, but the way to do could differ. Concentrate on the question. With each and every term, So you have a term called here each. There are two items. He gains 10% for the first item, the other one he loses 10%. Okay, the first one, it was a good try. Can I solve it or do you want some more time? Sure, I'm just giving 2 more minutes. If you're done, go on with the next question, the second question. If you're still doing, I'm giving you 2 more minutes for the first question. If you're getting the answer as none, let me know what's the exact answer. If you're getting any other answer, then that is fine. Shall I solve it? Shall I solve it? Okay, so the first one, just understand the question. There are two articles, not one. If there is only one article, I can use L plus W plus LW by 100. If there is only one article, they're talking about the sale of profit and loss. But here there are two articles, so you cannot use this. Similar to this, doesn't mean it is same. Let's say the first one is 100 percentage. The second one is also 100 percentage. A man sells two articles at 99 each, on which he gains 10 percentage, and on the other he loses 10 percentage. So he's selling it for 99 each. So he brought it for 100 percentage each. Is that correct? That means this is called as my cost price. Okay, let's count that. A man sells two articles at 99 each. So the selling price is 99 each, not the percentage amount. So INR or rupees selling it. The second one is also selling it at 99. Now he says that selling this at 99, he is getting 10 percentage profit. Selling this at 99, he is getting 10 percentage loss. Now your work is to tell me that if whatever is the selling cost price, we don't know. Read the question again. It's about he sells two articles at 99 each. One gives him the profit, one gives him the loss. Are you clear with that? Let us take the first one, 99. This is with profit, 10 percentage profit. Okay, then this 99 is how many percentage? This 99 rupees is how many percentage? Are you getting my question? Both are being sold at 99. One is profit and one is loss. Both are being sold at 99. It is not purchased. Both are being sold at 99. They got it for 100 percentage. We don't know the price. Okay. Now, I'll ask you, just let this question be on. Let's get back into this. Let's say that I'm buying a pen for 100 rupees. Okay, or $10, whatever, 100 rupees. Now I'm selling it to another person. I got it. Okay, I got it for 100 rupees. I'm selling with 10 percentage profit. Then how much did I sell it for? I got it for 100. I'm selling it for 10 percentage more. Then what is the selling price? Yes, 110. Anybody have doubt in this? Anybody have doubt in this? Anybody have doubt in this? Okay. Then when I buy, always my cost price is 100 percentage. My cost price is always 100 percentage, and selling price is based on how much I sell it for a profit or loss. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with the statement? Yes or no? Okay. Now 100 rupees is $100. Sorry, 100 percentage. We know that 100 rupees is 100 percentage. 100 rupees is equals to 100 percentage, because that is the cost I brought it. Let me say now that I don't know for how much did I purchase. Okay, I don't know that for how many rupees did I purchase, but I know that I sold it for 110. That is how many percentage? It's with increment, don't forget. It's 110 rupees is my selling price, and it is 10 percentage more. That means it's 110 is how many percentage? 110 is how many percentage? Now, let's say that this is 100 rupees, this is 110. Then how many rupees it is more? This is 100 and this is 110. How many rupees it is more? If this is 100 and this is 10, 110, how much it is more? Yes. Can I say it as 100 plus 10? Can I call it as 100 plus 10? 100 rupees is the price, sold it for 10 more. Is that correct? 100 rupees is the price, sold it for 10 more. Yes? Okay. Now, this 100 rupees is how many percentage? Already we know that. 100 rupees is how many percentage? 100 rupees is how many percentage? 100. Yes. This 10 rupees is how many percentage? 10 rupees is how many percentage? 10. Yes. Yes. Now tell me that 110 is how many percentage? 110 is how many percentage? 110 is how many percentage? That's all. Are you clear with that? So that's going to be 110 percentage. If you understood this concept, I'll tell you, we're going to start with profit and loss. The topic is done already. If you know the small concept. You're clear with that? Are you clear with that? That's good. Now I'm going to ask you some simple questions. I'm erasing it. Okay, I'm erasing it. Just listen. Look here. I don't know what is the cost price of any articles. Let's say that I don't know what is this question mark. I have the selling price with a profit or loss. Okay, let's say an item I sold it for 210 rupees. Okay, it is with a 210 rupees with 10 percentage profits. When I say the item was sold for 210 rupees, it's with a profit of 10 percentage. Now, how many percentage is 210? 210 is the price, is sold with 10 percentage profit. Okay. Then how many percentage it is? That was good. 110. Now let me say that this is sold with 10 percentage loss. Then now how many percentage is it? When I say this 210 is with the amount of 10 percentage loss, then how much it is? 90 percentage. That was good. Okay, clear with that, right? Are you clear with the concept? Clear with the concept? One last and simple question. This cost price is always how many percentage? The cost price is always how many percentage? Yeah, that's it. You have done with the cost price and selling price. I'll tell you now how to apply it. I'm again clearing it. The reason I want you to get it more clear. Okay, this is the cost price. I don't know. This is the selling price. Yes, I know that. I am giving two datas in this. What are the two data are? 5 percentage loss has been sold with 5 percentage loss, and the price is 190. Okay, what is the cost price? Five percentage loss, the product is being sold, so the selling price is 190, the price is 190, and it is with the 5 percentage loss. That means this is 100, there is no doubt. This is 100 percentage, no doubt. But what is the cost? Okay, 190 is how many percentage? 190 is how many percentage? 190 is how many percentage? So look here, I'm equating it directly over here, just 95, that's all. Okay, now for how many percentage should I find? For how many percentage should I find? For how many percentage should I find? For 100, that means I don't know the cost price, I'll keep it as X. 190 is 95, X is 100. What is that X? $200. Then the cost price was 200. That's all. We are done. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Okay. Now we'll come for the question. 99 was the selling price for each. The first one is the gain of 10 percentage. So 99 rupees is equals to how many percentage? The first one is with the gain of 10. The first one is with the gain of 10. Yes, 110. Okay. The second one is also 99. The selling price was 99. No doubts. Now, loss of 10%. Then how many percentage was the second one? Percentage. The second one was 90 percentage. Yes. Okay. And this becomes X. Now X equals to, and this is of 100. Can you find the cost price of them both? Tell me what's the cost price of the first one, cost price of the second one. The first one is 90. Yes, good. The second one is 110. That's good. Okay, that was good. I'm writing it over here on the top, on the box. Got it? I hope you're clear with the concept. 110, not just 11. 110 into 10. If not multiplied. Okay, the first one is 90 is the cost price, selling with 10 percentage profit. So that was 99. Second one was 110. Still, it was 100 percentage, but he sold it for 99. That means 10 percentage loss. The total he spent was by selling. When he sold it, it was 198. But when he purchased it, okay, it's 110. 100, he purchased it for 200, but he sold it for 198. Are you clear with that? The first one is 90, the second one is 110. Both together, it is 200. Are you clear with that? Second one, the both the things he sold it for 99.99. In return, he got 198. So how much it is less? How much it is less? 2 rupees less out of 200. Okay, or 2 naira less out of 200 naira. So into 100. Okay, so it's going to be 1 percentage. So it is 1 percentage loss. Did you get that? Did you get that? Did you get it? Yes, for sure. See the first one, 99, it was sold with 10 percentage profit. So the cost price was 90. Second was also sold at 99, but it was loss of 10%. The cost price is 110. So I'm calculating for how much did he bought it. So 90 plus 110, 200. Selling price was 99.99. That means in return, he got 198. Okay. So that means he lost 2 nairas out of 200 nairas, or you can make it in rupees, 2 rupees out of 200. So he is a loss of 1%. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Yes, Lewis, you have to calculate. It's not about difficulty. It is about you have to understand the concept. This is for you to understand the concept. Sometimes here the selling price, if it differs, let's say it is not 99, then this method will not work. That's the reason. Got it, Menza? That is why you need to know this method. Let me say the cost is differing, then it will not work. Or if it is given 99 for both, then also this method will not work. Because I don't know what is the cost of one, or I don't know what is the selling price of one. I will not be able to find that. So that's the reason you need to know this, how to do it. Clear with that? Okay, shall I go on with the next one? Yes, for sure. See, now a simple way to understand two articles is at 99, 99. So you know that it has been sold at 10% profit. That means this is 90 and this is at 110. I'm just going to add at cost price. Yes, you have to find it. You can calculate it easily. Okay, 2 rupees loss out of 200. So that is what is the meaning. 2 rupees loss out of 200. So that is going to be 1% into 100. Okay, 2 rupees or 200 minus 198. 2 rupees loss out of 200. So that's going to be 1%. Yes, but not for all the questions. Okay. Vivian, I can say you in an easy way. 2 times 2 is also 4. 2 plus 2 is also 4. But both are not same. Did you get it? Okay. Fine. So try for this question. Very easy question. This is very easy one. The second one is very easy. An article is sold at a profit of 20%. If it had been with sold the profit of 25%, he would have fetched 35 more. That means he would have got 5% more. He would have got 35 rupees more. What is the cost price? Very easy. 35 rupees equals to how many percentage? 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 No, fetched more. Yes, you can try. It's given more. It is not said 35. It is said 35 more. 35 more. That's good. Want to try the question? I'm giving you a minute of time. That's right. So he was getting 20%. Now he's getting 25%. That means he's getting 5% more. At the same time, he fetched 35 more. So 5% equals to 35. I want to find how much it is out of 100 because it's given cost price. Cost price is always equals to 100. Clear with that? So it is 1 time for 7. So x equals to 700. Yes, it's going to be out of 700. Got it right? The selling price would have been, sorry, the cost price would have been 700. Very clear? So, Zuban, can you tell me what is called fetch? Zuban, can you tell me what is called fetch? Yes. How much did he get more? How much did he get more? $35. How many percentage it is more? How many percentage it is more? He was getting 20, suddenly he got 25. That means how many percentage it is more? 5. So what is 1 percentage? If 5 percentage is 35, what is 1 percentage? What is 1 percentage? What is 1 percentage? 7. If 1 percentage is 7, then how much is 100%? Because cost price is always 100. If 1 percentage is 7, what is 100%? That's all. You're done. Did you get it? That's all. Fine. Shall we go on with the next one? Any doubts? Any doubts? Yes, Lewis, you are right. Any doubts? Shall we go on with the next? Shall we go on with the next? Done. There are 4, 1, 2. This question doesn't have options. This question doesn't have options. So this question I've given you with the options. And yes, of course, this question is with options. And this question we have done in the first day when we started doing percentage. So I've given you that question also. We solve all these. The methods related to this is done, and we are going to the next method. Got it right? Solve all these. You're done. Then almost the concept logic related to these things are done. When we can move on with the next one. The first one is very simple. You can do by the fraction values. So simple. So simple. You need not to calculate at all. So simple. No, Adamu, you have to check it. Yes, Mainza is correct. Do the second question now. Shall we solve the first or shall we solve all together? Okay. That was good, Mainza. You're getting the answers. That was nice. 4 percentage, is it profit or loss means? 4 percentage, is it profit or loss? Yes, that's good. Okay, shall I solve the first question? Shall I solve the first one? Okay. The first one is the price of an article is cut down by 20%. Look here, 1 by 5 down. Then to come back, how much I should increase? 1 by 5 down. How can I increase it to the same position? 1 by 4 up. That's solved. There's nothing to solve. 1 by 4 in percentage is 25 percentage. That's it. There's nothing to solve at all. Understood, right? Now let me take an example to prove it. Let's take an 100 naira. Okay, the price of an article is cut down by 20%. That means that is now became 80 naira. Now I want to get it back to 100. I want to make it 100 again. Then with this 80, how much or how many percentage should I increase so that it becomes again 100? Okay, so I'm multiplying it into 125 by 100, or not to confuse you, let's say that 25 percentage, find it and then add it. What is 25 percentage of 80? Find it and then add it. I want to bring back to that same position. So 25 percentage is nothing but 20. Yes, so 20 to be added. So with this 20 to be added with 80. So 80 plus 20 will give me 100. So 25 percentage is needed to restore the same. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Are you clear? The cost of the sugar was 100 nairas. Let's say maybe from 2 kg or 3 kg is 100 naira, and it is being made as 80 percentage. That means 20 percentage it has been reduced. So now they're trying to increase back to the 100. That means how many percentage it should be there. So 80 times, I'm giving you a shortcut. 80 is equals to now 100 percentage, or 80 is equals to, yeah, 100 percentage. To bring it back to 100, okay, how many percentage it is? It was 100 reduced by 20 percentage, it became 80. Now I want to make it back into 100, then how many percentage it is? So I'm simplifying it. So 4 for 5, okay, 500 by 4. So 500 by 4 will be 125. So X value is 125 percentage. Yes, Axmed, you can leave. Okay, 125 percentage. How much it is more? 25 percentage more. Any method, the answer is same. Are you clear with that? Clear with the first one? Yes or no? Are you clear with the first one? Second method, I've taken it in amount of 100. Amount to be equal to 100. Okay. Let's say that I'm taking an item for sugar for 100 naira. The cost has been reduced by 20 percentage. Okay, if I say I'm reducing 20 percentage in 100, then how much it is? 80. Now 80, from 80, I want to make it back to 100. That means 80 is now 100 percentage. This is the cost price. I want to make it back 100 again. That means the selling price should become again 100. That means how many percentage? 4 by 5. Yes, you will get 125. That means I need 25% more. I want 25% more. So then I can make it again 100. That's all. Understood? Okay. Shall we go on with the next? Shall we go on with the next? Okay. A side of a square is increased by 25%. That means all the sides of a square are equal. So every side is increased by 25. That means length is 25 and width is 25. So that is what they mean. Okay. Side of a square increased by 25%. Then the area is increased by how much? You know that A times A or A square will give me the area of a square. So I want to find the area of the square. So 125 by 100 times 125 by 100 equals to the area where it is 5 by 4. L into B concept. I hope you remember. Increment, so it is 125. Both are A and A. So that is why I'm taking 125 into 100 and 125 into 100. Okay. 5 by 4. So out of 100, I want to calculate it. Calculate and tell me how much do you get. So 156, is that only that much? By 100. Point 156 points. 156.25 by 100. How much it is more? 56 it is more. So 56.25 it is more. Okay, so it has been increased with 56.25%. Did you get it? Did you get it? Because we are finding it in percentage. That's why we always retain it in 100. If you simplify, we will not get it in percentage. Percentage means it's out of 100. Is that right, Vivian? Percentage means it's out of 100. Is it right? Yes. Then I have to keep my denominator always out of 100 so that I can retain it in percentage rather than simplifying everything. If you simplify everything, again you have to multiply it into 100 to convert into percentage. You have to multiply it, okay, and divide 125 divided by 4. 31.25, not 56, 31.25. I divided 125 by 5 into 5 to get the value. Got it, Lewis? You have to calculate, Lewis. My calculations I would do on any method. You can do on your any method. There's no compulsion to follow my way. You can also simplify or multiply it and then divide it by 4. Anything is possible. I'm comfortable with the decimal method. That's the reason I've done with this. No compulsion to do with the same method. Got it, Lewis? Okay. Now, in this, very simple. I have a rectangle. Increment and decrement both are same. 20% increase and 20% decrease. That means it's always going to be a loss. That's all. Okay, increased by 20, decreased by 20. That means it's always loss. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? So 20, since it's a rectangle, increase by 20, decrease by 20. So how do you do it? Either in two methods, 120 by 100 times 80. No, that's what I'm telling Lewis. Lewis is not reading the question or not listening to my words. Lewis is on his own world, I hope. Yes, more than 100 means it's 100%. By simplifying that, I can say that 8 into 2, 16. 96 by 100, that means 4% loss. Okay. And if I do it on the other method, L plus B plus LB by 100 or L plus W plus LW by 100. Okay. So then that is 20 minus 20. Then plus into minus is minus. 20 into 20 is 400 by 100. So 20 minus 20 is 0. I have -4, or I can call it as 4% loss. Okay, either method, this answer will be the same. It's 4% loss. Now let's come over here. In this question, same thing, that is what is being conveyed over here. When I have the same percentage, same amount of selling price. Listen, same amount of selling price with same percentage, always it is a loss. Got it? Same percentage means what you do is 10 square by 100. 10 square by 100 is 1. So 1%. In this question, the length and width 20%, increase and decrease. That means 20 square by 100. That means it is 4. Shortcut way of doing it. That will be 4%. But over here, in spite of selling price, if it is given cost price, then this will not work. That will be no changes, none. If in spite of selling price, if it is as cost price is 99, one is sold with profit and one is with loss, then there is no profit, no loss. When selling price of same amount, where one is with the profit and loss, then overall it is a loss. Are you able to match it? I'll give you related questions, no worries. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? You're getting it? I can quickly take 2 minutes. I hope. Is that okay? On increasing the price of TV set by 30%, their sales decreased by 20%. What is the effect of the revenue receipt of the shop? So they increased 30% in the sales, minus 20, sales dropped by 20. So plus 30 into -20 is -600 by 100. Okay, -6. And this is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. So the revenue receipt increased by 4. That's all. Yes, Vivian, you can make it quick. What was your doubt? Okay, so in this question, remember two different things are there. I will take one as length and the other one as width. That's all. I don't want to use any other method over here. Length and this is width. Okay, so length is 30, width is minus 20 because it's decreased. Increasing the price by 30, sales has come down. So I will take the price increase as length, sales as width, and I can calculate it. Length plus width plus length into width by 100. So I get 4% in positive. That means 4% increase in the revenue receipt. Okay, clear with that? Are you clear with that? Okay, clear with that? Yes or no? A quick answer, please. Yes. The population of the town was increased by 15% annually. And what was the population was 8,000 in 1995. What is the population in 1997? So 1995, the population was 8,000. Then it is said that, yes, correct, Vivian. So it said that it is 8,000. It is annually increased by 15%. That means find 15% of 1996 because it's 2 years. Directly, I cannot find 15%. So find 15% of it. 4,000, 2,000, 6,000. So 14,000 will be there here. 14,000. 10, 400. 400 plus 200, 600, 8,600 would be the population in 1996. Again, 15%. Okay, 15% annually. So 1995 to 1996, it is 15%. Again, from here, it is 15%. So 10% is 860 and 5% is 430. Both together is 15%. 0, 9, 12. So adding that over here, so 1997, you will get 9, 8, 9, 0. Okay, none of this. Did I miss the? Oh yeah, sorry. I'll just reorder it. Maybe my calculation is missing. So 1995, 1995, 1995, it is 8,000. 1995, it is 8,000. 1995, it's 8,000. 15% of it. So 800 plus 600. So let's say 10% is 800 and 5%, oh sorry, 400. So that is 1,200. So adding with that, okay, 10% and 5%. So 1,200 added. So I get 9,200. I must my calculation. I'm sorry. 1996, and from here again 15%. So 920 is 10% plus 460. So when I add it, I get 1380. I'm going to add it with that 1380. So I get 0, 8, 4, 5. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 10,080. So 1997. So population increased annually means every year I'm calculating 15%. 1995 to 1996, 15%. 1996 to 1997, 15%. So 10,580. In case it is given 1998, then again I'll find for another 15%. Are you clear with that? So 15% annually means every year from the population, I have to keep finding 15%. 15% of 8,000 is 920. Again, 15% of 920 is 10,580. So 2 years, the population has been increased. Are you clear with that? Yes. So in the question, it is said 1995, the population was 8,000. They're asking that if annually 15% annually, that means every 12 months, population increases by 15%. So in 1996, it has increased to 9,200. Again, from this 1997, the population has been increased to, again, 15% increment. So it is going to be 10,580. So this is what's said to be 15% of population increase every year. That means annually. Are you clear with that? Yes, annually means every year. Annually means every year. So 2 years, I cannot take it as 30%. So 1995 to 1996, 15%. 1996 to 1997, 15%. Population cannot jump from 1 year to 2 years. It is not possible to jump the population to jump. It has to go annually means whatever you get for the next year. Again, from there, again you calculate. This is what is called annually for population. We can call it as compound interest in the other ways. This is the way to find the compound interest. Now I've taught you even the compound interest, so I think it is fine. Simple interest was already done. Right now we are doing compound interest without formula. This is the compound interest. You want formula? I don't think so. It works with, let's say, nothing much. I can use the same thing. Like, let's say 8,000, I'm finding 115. That means increment. So, okay, 115% of 100 times. Yes, Vivian, make it quick. I think it's taking time. I'm allowing you to unmute yourself. Yes, Vivian.
Okay, sir, my question was,
Yes.
my concern, the question concerning the area of the is it?
Okay.
Yeah, rectangle. The question says the length of a rectangle is increased by 20% and the width is decreased by 20%. The area is decreased by what? But we know that the area of a rectangle is given by length times width. So we took 125%, which was the increase of 120%, which was the increase of the length, and multiplied by 120. Multiplied by what? Okay.
125 into 120. Yeah.
Yeah, we got 156.25%. And you told us, or we know that when the percentage is above 100, it means it's an increase, right?
Yes.
So the answer should be 56.25 as an increase. But remember, the question says the question is asking for the area decrease. And we are getting the area increase. So the two are
area increased only for this question. You got it as area increase. That is third question, and this is second question. For the second question, it was 56.25 increase. It's a square, not a rectangle. And in this question, 20% increase and 20% decrease. The answer was 4% less decreased. Okay, 120 divided by 100 times 80 divided by 100. So you will get 96%. That means 4% less. So you messed up with the question.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's clear, right? Okay.
I think I interchanged.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, any other doubts? Anybody else? So I can take it up this method also, Mr. Christian. So 8,000, I will find 115 because 15% increase annually. Whatever answer I get, again I will find it for 115% of it. So that will give me the answer The same thing, 10,580, no changes. If you can take this as a formula, 8,000 into A by 100, that means increase of 15 percentage into again A by 100 because it's for 2 years. Okay, fine. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Okay, that's great. Shall I stop my screen? So the next class on Thursday, we'll be doing somewhat of profit and loss. We are lacking with some topics, ratio, concept, questions, and ratio. That is okay. That's fine. We will do it in the upcoming classes. We have 2 to 3 days to combining together. Okay. So profit and loss, we will do it, and then we'll get into the ratio concept. No worries, you will be able to complete it. Okay, I'm just making you sure to do the percentage questions well because I don't want you to miss mark over there. Thank you, Krishalini, for sharing the attendance sheet. Okay, any other doubts, anyone? Okay, ratio concept, we will do it once after you get well with the percentage concept, when you are able to solve it. So next class will concentrate more into profit and loss. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great day and let's catch up. Thank you, Idashana. Thank you, Louis. Thank you, Krishalini. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Kristen. Thank you, Trashir. Thank you, Lasango. Thank you, Nalina ji. Thank you. Thank you, Emmanuel. Thank you, Adamo. Thank you, Menza. Thank you, Emmanuel.